What is up, guys? How you guys doing? This is Isaiah with Living in Forex, and today is July 25th, a Monday. We're actually gonna just go over a couple different setups for the week. I haven't looked at every pair. I don't plan on trading every pair, so I'm gonna just see if there's any setups on the peso, silver, and US 30. So far, US 30 looks like it is rotating off of the monthly. As you can see, it actually has the monthly the monthly is below expansion. My bad, guys. I don't know why I got tongue tied. Monthly is below expansion. As you see, the weekly is actually above expansion as well. Let's see. It could be making a lower low on the monthly, but let's look at the daily. The daily is probably above expansion as well. So weekly is above expansion. Looks like it is rotating a little bit off this liquidity line, but we shall see on the daily. But directional bias so far is going to be long. 4 hour is in a box, so it just really depends on what happens in the 4 hour. If it comes out of the box, if it breaks this level here, if it doesn't, this would probably be our next level that we're going to be shooting for up here. And that is about, sheesh, that's 1,200 pips to the upside. So definitely a good move if we do catch that. But like I said, today's Monday, so we're looking for our directional buy so far on the US 30 is going to be long. So we're going to look into be buying this pair. All right, let's go to the peso. Let's see. So monthly is below expansion, actually has a new expansion line, a nice retracement off this liquidity line right here. Could continue to go short, but let's see what's happening on the weekly. The weekly is above expansion. Looks like it is rotating off this level here. Let's see. If you were trading the weekly, you could probably buy into this sell. At least, if anything, come back down to see if it tests this level. Most likely it's going to test this level because these expansion lines are like magnets. They always come back and touch them. As you see right here, boom, right here, boom, right here, boom, right. Besides right here, but or right here, but it always comes back and touches it. So if anything, it could come down. You could sell this, get into this level here. But so far, our monthly is short. Our weekly is above expansion, which it is probably rotating. I'm expecting our daily to be below expansion as well. Let's see. Yep, it is below expansion. It looks really nice. It has that nice touch right there. So far, we got two expansion lines going short. This is probably our next level here to be shooting for on the daily. Let's see where it looks like on the monthly. On the weekly. Oh, so okay. So let's mark this over right here. Let's change the color of it. Let's make it white. Alright, boom. Shoot for the daily. Sorry, in the back, those are my kids and my cousins, or not my cousins, but my nephews playing some video games. So yeah, these are gonna be our levels that we're gonna be shooting for on the peso going short. We're gonna be looking to sell the peso. Buy the peso. So far, let's go to the 4 hour. It has to be below expansion as well. Yep, it is below expansion. We got a lot of room to the downside to be shooting for. So what we're gonna be doing is probably gonna be, it's gonna have a small retracement going back up, but we're going to be shooting for these levels here. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot down to the 30-minute, keep it here, and perfect. Here's the box. We're going to wait to see what happens outside this box. Once we get a sell liquidity line to the downside, this is going to be that's where we're going to place our stop, and we're going to shoot going down. All right, guys. So most likely the euro peso is going to be exactly the same. But let's look at it. Euro peso. Alright, so most likely it's a short, right? Short. We do have these levels here that we need to pay attention to. Could be retracing off of those levels, but the monthly is short. Still short. Weekly, it's actually at this liquidity line right here, the main expansion line. So the daily has to be below expansion as well. Let's see what it's doing. So it's actually above expansion on the daily. We would want it to break below this level, break below both of these levels actually. And if it does break below these levels, this is going to be our next key level that we're going to be focusing on is right here or right here. So let's probably going to shoot for this one. Let's move this out of the way. Which is right there. So yeah, so if it breaks this level, we're going to put it right here. If it breaks this level here on the 4 hour, that's going to be our target to continue going short. But if it doesn't do that, we're not going to trade it, right? So that's where we have a couple different pairs that we're going to be watching. Let's see, boom, boom. It actually is below expansion. This would be the level that we needed to break right here. If it does break this level, then this is going to be where we're going to be looking to go. All right, so right here, this is going to be short. We're looking for this level here to be touched or broken. But this is going to be our take profit area. All right, so let's go to silver, which I'm actually in silver right now. I'm selling it short, right? Strong short to the downside. There is liquidity that it is tested on the monthly. Let's see about on a weekly. What is it looking at? It is below expansion as well. A lot of liquidity that it's going to be hitting also. But silver moves really, really good, guys. All right. So let's see what the daily is looking like. Daily is below expansion. This is what we need it to break, right? Obviously, if we get a strong move to the upside, then most likely it's rotating, so we're gonna get out of it. But we're shooting for these lower levels right here, guys. We're shooting for these lower levels. So far, our directional bias is short on this pair, and that's how we're gonna be looking at it. All right. So, like I said, today is Monday, so hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, it's down there in those levels. We're gonna revisit, right, to see if these analyses are somewhat correct. They shouldn't be too bad. Obviously, you can't be right all the time, guys. But just make a prediction or a plan to trade something, and if it goes away, it should. You're gonna make that plan. So this is gonna be our first take profit right here at 18.1051. We're gonna shoot for the 30 minute time frame, and 30 minute time frame, and we are gonna wait for that expansion, which that's actually the expansion line that I got in at, and this is gonna be the levels that I'm gonna be looking to take my take profit at. All right, so we're gonna, where is it at? This is our arrow, this is a short, right? So hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys found a little bit of value out of that video I just made, and definitely feel free to join me in the lounge or the Discord group, or comment down below if you guys have any questions. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I will gonna make a follow-up video on Wednesday on the 4 pairs that I'm looking at, right? The peso, US 30, and silver. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next videos, guys. And hopefully you guys found some video value and you guys can make some money this week. All right, guys. Later.